Hello YouTube, and welcome to Katrinka LOL. And look what I found in my pantry today. Lady, unhand me. I want to know what you're doing in there. Well, I was invited, ma'am. Invited? Who invited you? Well, Belle? Belle! Uh-oh. Oh, he's busted. So, what's your name? Squirrely T. Diggins III. Well, that's a fancy name. Okay, so you did short order on the nuts in the pantry. Yes, they were good. Well, good thing they were near expiration. I know, I'm helping you out. Well, you are kind of cute. Hey, how did you meet Belle anyway? In the backyard. He was sharpening his teeth on a tree, and I walked by and started chatting. Oh, I see. So they're making friends. So, okay. So let's summarize this. I've got a beaver that's knocking trees down in the backyard. I've got a dog that's playing tricks on me, and now I have a squirrel that enjoys my pantry. Is that about right? Yeah. Okay. Well, Squirrely T. Diggins III, nice to meet you, and hope to see you around again. I think you seem like a nice guy. So I wanted to introduce Squirrely T. Diggins to you. This actually is an early Valentine's present from my husband, and I'm very pleased with it, and I'm just having a whole lot of fun with the puppets. So that's my video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.